Is your home overwhelmed with too much stuff? Does it feel like an impossible task to clear the clutter? Zero Junk is here to help. We understand the challenges, and we're on a mission to make homes in San Jose comfortable and safe again, with care and understanding. At Zero Junk, kindness is at the core of what we do. Dealing with a lot of items at home can be tough emotionally. We believe in showing kindness and patience, aiming to make everyone in San Jose feel understood and supported. Hoarding is not just about having many items, it's about the emotions tied to them. Our team offers compassionate cleanout services, taking the time to understand, listen, and help in the best way possible. Building trust is crucial. At Zero Junk, we take every step carefully, ensuring everyone feels safe. Privacy matters, and our discreet junk removal respects and protects your privacy, providing a safe and respectful experience. We care about the earth and our community. Zero Junk ensures items find new homes or are disposed of properly, considering both the planet and the homes we clean. Zero Junk, your ally in creating clean, organized, and refreshed spaces across California. Call us at 669-263-5865 and let the transformation begin.